What's up guys, I'm going to 3D print an Xbox controller wall mount, so let's go. Alright, so the first few tries didn't go so well, but eventually I got the settings set right and this one came out not too bad. Now it was lifting off the bed a little bit, so I did add a raft around the print and that held it down to the bed and allowed it to print off nice and easy. So I'm going to print off a few more, stack them on top of each other, and then I'm going to drill some holes in to mount them. So let's see how we go. So I'm quite happy with that. They fit quite nicely there underneath the table, so out of the way. If I get more controllers, I'll just print another piece off and add it on the top or the bottom, or I'll build a new set on the side. So thanks for watching this video and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, hit that like button, or you can subscribe by hitting the button up here. Now I've also got a couple more videos up here on this side, and I've also got my cryptocurrency channel over here, so go check that out. But thanks again for watching and we'll see you next time.